In a world where EVs are rising and silence is celebrated, one machine roars back against the current. A machine so visceral, so unfiltered, that it reminds us why we fell in love with driving in the first place. This is the 2026 Tomaso P900. And it is not here to play nice. Greater than welcome back to MotionRev, where the world's most thrilling machines come alive through pure design, unfiltered sound, and uncompromising speed. Today, we're stepping into something different. Something rare. The P900 is not a daily driver. It's not built for the road. It's born for one purpose only: to dominate the track and defy what's possible. Let's begin with the visuals, because the P900 doesn't just look fast. It looks alive, inspired by classic Le Mans racers but evolved into something futuristic and furious. Every line, every intake, and every curve is engineered for one thing: downforce without drag. The teardrop cabin, the exposed rear suspension, the massive active wing, and that gold-accented diffuser that feels like sculpture from another world. Its carbon fiber body is not only impossibly light, it's also created using sustainable materials, a Tomaso signature in modern design language. So yes, it's a monster. But a responsible one. Stick with us. In a moment, we'll unlock the interior cockpit, and later, what makes the V12 behind this beast a once-in-a-generation powerplant. Step inside, if you dare. The cockpit of the P900 isn't welcoming in the traditional sense. It's tight, surgical, and obsessive. There are no cup holders, no infotainment screens, no distractions. Only carbon fiber, Alcantara, digital telemetry, and the central yoke steering wheel. The seats are molded to the chassis. The dashboard is just a data readout. The entire cabin exists for one reason: performance feedback in real time. Even the gear paddles feel mechanical, a reminder that this isn't about luxury. It's about connection. And if you're watching now, the best is coming up. We're about to go deep into what makes this engine one of the most unique hypercar powerplants on Earth. Here's the headline: naturally aspirated. V12. 900 horsepower. Zero hybrid assistance. In 2026, that's a unicorn. The 6.2-liter V12 revs to over 12,000 RPM, delivering a screaming exhaust note that sounds more like an F1 car from the early 2000s than a modern hypercar. And what makes it even more insane? The weight. The P900 clocks in under 900 kilograms, making its power-to-weight ratio absolutely ballistic. The 6-speed sequential gearbox is brutal, fast, and physical. The traction is track-calibrated. And Tomaso has confirmed that it's already matching times with Le Mans GTE class cars in early testing. Still watching? Good, because next up, why this car matters more than just lap times. Tomaso is only building 18 units of the P900. That's it. Each is custom built, track only, and paired with a full ownership experience, including access to Tomaso's own private race events. This isn't a car you see. It's a car you get invited to drive. But beyond the exclusivity, the P900 represents something more: a last stand for analog, V12-driven performance before the EV wave swallows the segment. And Tomaso, a name rooted in motorsport history, just redefined what passion sounds like at 12,300 RPM. So here's the big question: is the P900 just a farewell letter to ICE, or a bold signal that pure performance still has a place? What do you think? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Would you take the scream of a V12 over the silence of an EV? Either way, the P900 isn't asking for approval. It's too busy chasing lap times and rewriting limits. Greater than stop sign. Thanks for watching. This is MotionRev, where the future of speed meets the art of performance. Make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications, because the next machine we review might just be even more unhinged.